A Tesla Cybertruck was dug out during the catastrophic floods in Kerr County, Texas. Tesla Cybertruck was severely damaged, with visible burn marks and structural deformation, and was submerged and burned during the catastrophic floods in early July 2025. This highlights the extent of the disaster's impact on vehicles and infrastructure. When the truck was found, luckily no one was inside the vehicle. The owner has requested Elon Musk to retrieve footage from the Cybertruck's onboard cameras, suggesting that such footage could be extremely helpful in understanding the flood's impact and search and rescue efforts. The Cybertruck's dashcam, if functional and recording during the flood, could provide valuable footage of the event, potentially offering insights into the flood's progression in locating missing individuals.